Hello, how are you? On today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can protect your skin from this hot weather that is coming. You know, we are in the dry season right now, and so many people are being exposed to harsh weather. So I'm going to teach you how you can apply our 3S oil from Swisderm International and our sun protector to protect your skin from sunburn, from rashes, and from, tear on your skin as a result of harsh weather. So this is my 3S oil. Look at how you apply our 3S oil. Just open the pack and get one capsule of the 3S oil. It's something like this. Uncap it, pour into your palm, rub together and apply. On your face. You can also apply all over your skin, but today I'm going to be using my face and my palm. Okay, once you are done with the 3S oil, you can massage it into your skin. If you already have some skin damages like pimples, acne, sunburn, or you have wrinkles or eye bag, you can massage it just exactly as I'm doing it now. Massage into your skin, your neck, and then rub the remaining on your palm, massaging into your skin. It is gradually going to assimilate into your cells and give you that smooth, soft texture on your skin, protecting you from damages of the sun. So now you are going to apply together our sun protector, or you can call it sunscreen. All you need to do is open it up and take a little like this and drop it 4 corners of your face and gradually rub into your skin on a circular node. You see what I'm doing? Underneath your eye bag, make sure to massage into your skin. It will help you remove those sagged skin, eye bag, and all the linings on your face, just the way I'm doing it. And you can run it down your neck. Okay, here you rub on a circular node and spread it into your skin, massaging your face with the sunscreen. Just look at the way I'm doing it. Do you know, as I'm doing this, I'm massaging my face, and all those stress and linings on the face will gradually go off. Do you know what this is going to do for you? Once you are exposed under the sun, this sunscreen is going to absorb all the sun rays, and it will not allow the dark energy of the sun to, damage the surface of your skin. As it is, absorbing the sun, is taking in through the help of the SVB and FPF that is in this product, is going to protect your skin from sun damage. So what you will notice is, after the day is over, you will wash off your face and discover that all of those sun rays will now clean up from your face like this. This is our unique product. You can protect your skin and look that beautiful with just a few naira. DM me for more details on how you can get this product. See you on my next video. Remember to share this video because you can be helping a friend by doing that.